The flight into Egypt depicts the story of Jesus having to flee. It was family had to flee. He was, obviously very young. But the word of prophecy had come to the king that a new king would be born. And so the king, Herod is not thinking that this is, the King of Kings, capital K. And this is something that's much bigger than any nation in the world, something that you can't stop. Herod is thinking like most kings, that this is a direct threat to my rule right now, and I've got to put an end to this. And so because, Herod trusted the word of those who were around him, astronomers and others, and kind of, zeroed in on the time in which Jesus could have been born, they began to slaughter all of these innocent baby boys in an attempt to kill Jesus. And so Jesus was then taken to Egypt to hide. And so that's what that image actually depicts. And I think, it says something else, too, about, images or the concept of Jesus, what he looked like. Again, this is a debate that is kind of a more current debate and really was not around much when Tanner was doing his painting. I think it was accepted by that time that Jesus was had a European image because that's what the imagery had been for the last 400 or 500 years. But for those of us who tend to think that Jesus was probably more like a person of color, if you're going to hide, then you go somewhere where you can fit in. And Egypt then, just like Egypt today, is a place where it's dominated by people of color. And if Jesus looked much more like, what Michelangelo said, then he probably would have gone somewhere in Europe to hide. But that's just another little twist and something that a number of us who just consider ourselves interested in the depictions of what Jesus looks like, that story kind of supports that notion. So his parents took him there, and these are kind of the missing years of Jesus. We don't know anything of what happened during that time. But there he was for an early part of his childhood until it was safe to come back home.